Hey everyone! Today we're going to show you how to use BatchGeo to create maps for your website. If you're new to Batch, it's an amazingly fast mapping platform that lets you turn data into Google Maps. So, open up your browser and let's get started. So, one thing we get asked a lot at BatchGeo is how to map a list of coordinates, and honestly, it's a great question. If you know how to code, you could use the Google Maps API directly, but that's the hard way to make a map. Let's look at what it takes to build a map from a simple spreadsheet using BatchGeo. All right, first, let's do a quick refresher. If you're new to mapping, latitude and longitude are just like the X and Y axes from math class, but instead of plotting points on paper, you're plotting real-world locations on Earth. Latitude runs east to west and measures how far north or south you are from the equator, which is 0 degrees latitude, while longitude runs from top to bottom and measures how far east or west you are from a line called the prime meridian. So, where's that 0 longitude line? It runs through Greenwich, England. That's the global starting point for measuring longitude, and everything else is measured east or west from there. Now, let's look at some real coordinates. Here's a quick example from Google Maps. By clicking on a location, you can see a coordinate pair at the bottom of the screen, and it'll always look pretty much the same. Latitude comes first, then longitude. If you're setting up your own spreadsheet, it's pretty easy to find coordinates. You can find coordinate pairs like this using Google Maps, the way we are here, using GPS software, or just doing a quick search online. Okay, let's get started with our own map. First, let's open up a spreadsheet. Here, I've got a simple sheet pre-filled out. This one is pretty basic, and yours might have more data, but it'll work for our purposes. In this example, we're starting with a column called coordinates in each row that has latitude and longitude separated by a comma. To avoid potential confusion later, it's always a good idea to separate these out before you do anything else. To speed this up, we're going to use an Excel formula. All right, let's go ahead and add 2 new columns to our sheet, one labeled latitude, the other longitude. Assuming your sheet is similar to mine, in the latitude column, enter this formula. Now, in the longitude column, let's use a similar formula. Okay, now just drag those formulas down to fill the rest of the rows. All right, once you've split the coordinates, highlight your entire table, including the headers, and copy it Control-C on a PC, or use Command-C if you're on a Mac. Okay, here's the fun part. Now open your browser and head over to batchgeo.com. Right on the homepage, you'll see a big box that says Paste Your Location Data. Go ahead and click into that box and paste the data you just copied. Just fill out the remaining options and you'll have a map you can zoom, pan, and even click on points to view the data from your spreadsheet. And get this, if you don't have latitude and longitude, but you do have addresses, you can still use BatchGeo to map your data. Just paste your list of addresses, street, city, zip, whatever you have, into your spreadsheet, and BatchGeo will automatically geocode them into coordinates and map them for you. No coding, no installs, just copy, paste, and map your data. Okay, that's it for today. Now you know how to take a spreadsheet of coordinates or addresses and create a beautiful interactive map with BatchGeo. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, give the video a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.